Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Varuna Tompe, Assistant Professor at M.A. Raghuwala Institute of Hotel Management and Research. I teach front office and today I'm going to cover a topic called as guest cycle. So let's get started. So in the hotel industry, hotel industry provides food and lodging facility to the guests who are traveling from one destination to the other. So it is the responsibility of the hotel to make sure that the guest have a perfect stay. He should not face any problem, from his pre-arrival stage, that is reservation, to his departure. So he should not have any problem. Whatever when he's coming to the hotel, he should have a perfect stay. So the hospitality industry has come up with a concept called the guest cycle. So what is this guest cycle? Guest cycle is nothing but the stages, the interaction between the guest and the hotel during the stages. So a guest cycle is divided into 4 sections. So let's see what are those. So 4 sections. One is pre-arrival, arrival, occupancy and the departure. So actually in these 4 sections, what are the activities that a hotel and between the hotel and the guest, what happens? So this is what the guest cycle is all about. So basically there are 4 main stages. So pre-arrival, arrival, occupancy and departure. Okay. So let's go through it. In pre-arrival stage, the main thing is the interaction between the hotel and the guest is the reservation. So the main activity is the reservation. So whenever you are going to you want to go somewhere and stay, so what you do is you do a little R&D, that is research and development. Which kind of property you want to go, what kind of hotels are there, what are the facilities that the hotel is providing, what is your budget. Okay, according to that you book a room. So the reservation what we receive is a main first stage, that is interaction between the hotel and the guest. So this is a planning stage. So guest plans and he mainly gives the reservation, right? So that is a first stage. According to his preferences, we book. So in this stage, the guest decides what kind of room he wants. Okay, what is a location of the room? That means what is the room is facing which view. How many rooms he wants. If he's traveling with a family, he will be requiring 2 rooms, one for him, one for his kids. And if he wants smoking or non-smoking room, all these kind of preferences that is being taken care by the reservation department. Okay, in this arrival, if the guest wants a pickup, we also fulfill this request. So what do? We at the time of reservation, we ask the guest that if he wants a pickup or not. If he wants a pickup, then we book a pickup for him. So from maybe from the airport or from the railway station or from wherever he wants, he requests and we send the vehicle. Next is our arrival stage. This is physically the guest is arriving at the property. So this is a main physical activity that the guest is the first interaction between the guest and the hotel, physically. So the guest comes and the main activity that the hotel does is the registration. So the guest signs the registration card, that means he's signing the contract. That means whatever the services that we are providing to the guest is agreeing that he will pay for it later at the time of checkout. So basically the activity is called a check-in. So arrival pe check-in hota hai, and then the guest is allotted whatever the preferences, the guest ka preferences jo bhi hai, we allot the room to him, and then the luggage, we send the luggage to the guest room. Okay. The next is the occupancy stage. During this stage, the main thing is that whatever the request and the special preferences what the guest has is being fulfilled in this stage. So if he wants to avail the rest facility, for example spa, so the interaction between the spa and the guests, so that is taken care by that. Restaurant, okay, room service, a bar, so there are different things. So guest might request for a wake up call, or he wants something, maybe an extra toothbrush, or any request that is being there from the guest is being taken care at this stage, that is occupancy stage. The last stage, that is a departure stage, when guest comes and checks out. Check out means actually he's paying the guest and he's leaving the property. The stage, whatever the reservation what he booked for is being completed. So he's checking out physically from the room and from the hotel. So at this stage what we do is we collect the bill. Okay, we collect the cash, the bill and the checkout physically in the from the system, that is PMS, property management system. And then later on, the main important thing is that we collect the feedback. Feedback is important so that to ensure that the guest had a very nice stay with us. So if there's any issue that the guest comes to you and say that no, I did not like your spa, so at that time you make sure that the guest request has been you make the guest comfortable and you see what the problem is and try to solve it there and there. The main aim of a front office is that the guest should leave the property happily and satisfied, because he'll get a positive review and plus you get a loyalty customer. So I hope you understood these stages. So these are the stages, 4 stages. I hope you understood. If you have any question, guys, please comment down below. I will reply to it, or else you can reach me through the mail. So I hope you all understood everything. Thank you so much for paying attention. You'll have a lovely day. Thank you, guys.